Hello guys, here you can see I'm in the dashboard of Kyushu Sushi. So this is a software which help you to make money from affiliate marketing, and they give you many things like page builder, traffic from FB, messenger bots and etc. So if you are going to buy this software or you are thinking to buy this software, then I am giving my 4 premium bonuses with this software for free if you buy this software from my link. So I will show my 4 premium bonuses. After that I will explain you step by step of this members area. So let's see my bonus page first. When you click the description you will get the link, and when you click you will come here on my bonus page, my insane bonus bundle of Kyushu Sushi. Here you can see we used to generate between 365 and $798 every day on complete autopilot with one mouse click. They generate 365 and $798 every day from one click, and you can also generate, guys. So here you can see the clock. I want to explain you that if this clock hits 0 and after that you will buy this software, you will get only 2 bonuses of mine, because first 2 bonuses will disappear. So let's scroll, and here you can see the image of this product and some information. You can read this, guys. And prices and upsells, we will talk later about the prices. And here you can see the key benefits. I will explain you these key benefits, guys. So the first key benefit is generate the fastest result you have ever seen. They will generate the fastest result they have ever seen for you guys, and you will get more money. The second is equal effective for experienced and beginner marketer. They will generate money equally for experienced and beginner marketers, guys. The third is send free traffic to your affiliate link from 40 sources on complete autopilot. They will send you targeted traffic to your affiliate link from 40 sources, guys. And the next is fix all of your traffic generation problem in one click. You will get many traffic, guys. You don't know and you don't want to get traffic from another sources. The Kyushu Sushi will get you much more traffic, guys, from one click. The next is requires no technical skills, experience or budget. You don't require, guys, skill, experience or budget. You only require Kyushu Sushi. So the next is 100% newbie friendly. You don't need experience, guide. If you are newbie or beginner, you can use this software. The next is affordable monthly subscription. No, pay once only. They are not getting or taking money on monthly basis, guys. You have to purchase this software only once, and this software will work for you lifetime. So the next is, guys, 30 days money back guarantee. You will get 30 days money back guarantee. That mean the vendor is so sure that you will get the money from this software that he is giving you 30 days money back guarantee, and you will get the money back from this software, guys. And you can, if you are not getting the money back, you can return this product and get your every penny within 13 days, guys, from you purchase. So the next is the demo video. Here you can see, if you want to see the demo video of this software, you can see, guys. And the next is my bonuses. My first bonus is 0 to $100 in 24 hours, and this value of this course is $747, and I am giving this or all bonuses for free, guys, if you buy this software from my link. In this bonus you will get how you can earn 0 to $100 from 24 hours. You will earn $100 in 24 hours, guys, from this course. And the next is second bonus is, guys, Bing Ad Mastery course. You will get how you, but first this value of this bonus is $497, and in this bonus you will get how you can run Bing ads, a profitable Bing ads, and you will get more money, guys. The next bonus is unlimited traffic mantra. In and this bonus value is $697. I know, guys, you are getting many traffic in Kyushu Sushi, but additional I am giving my traffic sources to you guys if you buy this software from my link. And the next bonus of my is 10x commission, and her value is $397. In this bonus you will get how you can earn 10x commission from any affiliate program or any product you will promote. And the next bonus is, guys, a special bonus from the vendor, and this value of this bonus's value is $8,897, guys. And I will show you the vendor bonuses. So here you can see the vendor bonuses. The first vendor bonus is Elite bonus, Facebook Live Mastery video training, $497 value, and this is free if you buy this software. And the next bonus is free Facebook traffic strategy, $147 value. And the next is Instagram guide for beginner video training, and this value is $497. The next bonus is how to build email list from scratch video training, and this value is $297. And the next is SEO marketing school video training, and the value is $997. And these all 5 bonuses from vendor, and my 4 premium bonuses you are getting for free if you buy this software from my link, guys. So let's go. And now you are thinking how you can get the vendor bonuses and my bonuses. So the vendor bonuses you will get in the members area, but for my bonuses you have to go in the Warrior Plus website, and you have to go the payment history, and after that you have to search Kyushu Sushi. After that you will get the page like this, and you have to see the access affiliate bonus, this button, and you have to click, and you will get access of my all bonuses, guys. So let's go to the prices. I will show you what is the price of this software, guys. So here you can see the prices. So front end price of Kyushu Sushi is $17, and the O2 one is Kyushu Unlimited, $37 is the price, and downsell is $27. OTO2 is Kyushu Sushi Automation, the price is $67, and the downsell is $47. OTO3 is Kyushu Sushi Done For You, and the price is $197, and downsell is $97. And the OTO4 is Kyushu Sushi Resell, and the price is $67, and the downsell is $47. And the OTO5 is Kyushu Sushi Steal Our Website Traffic, and the price is $97, and the downsell is $67. OTO6 is Kyushu Done For You Traffic, and in this you will the price is $397, and you have to buy only front end and you will get my and vendor premium bonuses, guys. If you want to buy, you can buy these OTOs also, guys. I have to suggest you, then you can should you have to buy OTO 3. So guys, this is the best OTO. So now you are thinking how you can buy this software. So when you come on my bonus page, you have to scroll and you can see some yellow buttons. You have to click on these yellow buttons, guys, and here you can see, boom, you will get $4 discount if you buy this software from my link. I will provide the $4 discount from the vendor. So, and after that you have to click here to get started. Now you have to click here and you have to pay the amount, and the amount is $13, guys. So now you are sure how you can buy this software and all thing, guys. So let's go to the dashboard of this software. So the dashboard of this software is look like this, and the first option is dashboard, second option is training, third option is import account, fourth option is find product, and here you can find the JV and Warrior Plus products, and the fifth account is page builder. The next is download pages. The next is FB post. Here you can post some FB. You can multimedia post. You can post multi. You can see CTA post. You can see slider poster. And the next is messenger bot, FB autopilot, Instagram autopilot, Pinterest. No sir, interest explorer, auto content. The next is auto blogging. The next is keyword research, and the next is website comparison, and the next is support desk. If you have any query or you are some issues from this software, you can get help from the support desk, guys. So this is the review of this software, guys. If you like this review, give me a thumbs up, comment down below that you will like this review or not, and you please share this video with your friends, guys, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see this, if you want to see videos like this, the digital product reviews, guys. So thank you, have a nice day.